If your Honeywell VisionPro 8000 thermostat is freezing, not responding to touch, or behaving unpredictably, a hard reset can bring it back to a clean working state. Over time, settings conflicts, power interruptions, or system glitches can cause the thermostat to stop communicating properly with your HVAC system. When that happens, adjusting settings won't fix it. You need a full reset that clears everything and starts fresh. Keep in mind, this process removes stored schedules and configurations, so you'll be setting it up again afterward. As long as you follow the sequence carefully, the reset is quick and effective. Let's get into it. Try these. 1. Turn off your HVAC system from the thermostat or breaker. 2. Remove the thermostat from its wall plate carefully. 3. Take out the batteries from the back of the unit. 4. Press and hold any button for a few seconds to discharge power. 5. Reinsert the batteries and mount the thermostat back in place. 6. Power the system back on and begin fresh setup.